Hello, so I'm Ryan with MMG. I am on the NDI stand with VizRT. I'm just going to take you through one of our products. So the one that we are actually launching on site today is the MMG D1. This is a HDMI NDI decoder. If you have a look at the form factor, you can see there's a fun little bit of detail here, which is our logo as part of the air filter. I'm going to take you over to our pod where we'll show you the UI. I'll just let you have a little look at that first. Okay, so off we go.
It looks like it matches the background.
Okay, so essentially the product is simple by nature. We try and make everything we do simple for the users. That's the idea. So the UI, you can see here that we can actually go through and choose any single NDI source. Being the NDI stand, there's obviously quite a few flavors today, but we are choosing our own vMix output 1. We can choose to rotate, flip, mirror those signals, do anything we like. So this is really good for endpoints for production, so TV screens, projectors, that kind of thing, but also for signage within business facilities. We have got software that will control all of those units at the same time as well, which is awesome. If we have a look here, we can go through the quad view. So what this enables us to do is actually turn the device into a multi-view product. It gives us 4 outputs, which are all low bandwidth NDI, so we're not putting any pressure on the actual production at all. And it's also got the ability to play back media, so we can have a USB drive plugged into the device and we can launch media from that. In the world of settings, we can do anything that we want. We could do NDI configuration, discovery servers, audio buffers, and the NDI bandwidth. The display itself, we have a few extra bonus features. We've got the ability to put a placeholder, so if you're a company and you want to put your logo, you can do that. If you want to make it so it holds the last frame, just in case that NDI did drop, then you can do that as well. One of the features that a lot of people have missed is the overscan, so we're able to change the actual overscan of your image remotely. You've also got visualization, so what we can do is put an audio source to the device, if you're in a club, that kind of thing, and it can create a visual image for you, which you can then flip to an NDI source as and when you want. The final little bits of fun, so we've also got its own Wi-Fi built in, that is enabling you to connect to the device before you're on a network, so that you can then get stuck in and change the DHCP or static address. That is the device in a nutshell. The bottom line really is that it's the fastest NDI to HDMI decoder on the market with 29 millisecond delay latency. So thanks for checking out our product.